Music Theory by Pavan Krati. The sounds we hear are caused by vibrations that send pressure waves through the air. Our ears respond to these pressure waves and signal the brain about their amplitude and frequency, and the brain interprets those signals as sound. In this project, I focus on how sound is generated and imagine generating sounds with a computer. Materials that are needed is a computer, a speaker, and a phone. The procedure involves downloading the oscilloscope app, and on the computer play the note you want and record it on the app. Observe the graph and take note of amplitude and frequency. Repeat for all other notes and then create a universal equation that can be used with a sine function that oscillates through one cycle in 1 second. A function that oscillates 440 times per second will look more like this. Wavelength and frequency are terms often used to describe the relationship between compressions and rarefactions. The area that includes one complete compression and rarefraction is called a cycle. Wavelength, lambda, is the distance over which the acoustic disturbance repeats itself for any instant of time during the cycle. Based on that, we know that one complete cycle in space, one wavelength, is equivalent to one cycle in phase, about 2 pi radian. Phi is the phase angle. It relates the distance in space to a fraction of a wavelength. A sine shape in space is given by A is equal to sine frequency times phi, where A is the amplitude and F is the frequency and phi is the phase angle. Combining everything together, we get that A is equal to sine 440 times 2 pi t. In this lab, I first identified all necessary variables needed to understand the lab. Next, I used the computer to produce sound waves, which I then recorded via the app. I then analyzed the results to determine how to go about solving for an equation that could be used to make a graph of the sound waves that is universal in its function. Everything you see here comes in waves. One possible extension could be studying other wave types in our daily lives. For the daily component of my project, I created a journal that described what I did every single day that I worked on my project. For the socialization next to my project, I learned more about how this can be used in our daily lives. Thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools.